Story of Amrita. Children, let me today tell you a very interesting story of a girl named Amrita who used to live in a village called Khejadli, a village in Rajasthan. Children, do you know where Rajasthan is? Okay, let me help you to find out. Yes, here it is, the beautiful desert state of Rajasthan. The name of the village is after the tree that grows in this region, the Khejadi tree. Do you know what a Khejadi tree is? The Khejadi tree is found mainly in desert areas. It can grow without much water. Its bark is used for making medicines. People cook and eat its fruits, that is beans. Its wood is such that it will not be affected by insects. Animals in this area eat the leaves of the Khejadi, and children like you play in its shade. People in the village of Khejadli worship plants and animals. People in the village take care of them and proudly say what their elders used to say. अगर पेड़ हैं तो हम हैं. Amrita would get up early every morning and greet her friends. The trees. She would choose a special tree for the day. She would put her arms around the tree trunk and whisper to the tree, "Friend, you are strong and beautiful. You care for us. Thank you, tree. I love you very much. Give your strength to me also." Like Amrita, the other children also had their special trees. They would play for hours under the shade of the trees. Okay, children, can you tell me the importance of trees? Here you have a desert and a dense forest area. Which area would you like to go to? Yes, it would be the dense forest area. Plants provide us with many products that are essential for our survival. Right from fruits, wood, to oxygen, we are totally dependent on plants for our living. Trees in danger. Time went by. Amrita was now grown up. One day, she went to greet her trees. She saw that there were some strangers in her village. They had axes with them. They said that the king had sent them to cut the trees for wood. The wood was needed for building the king's palace. Amrita was shocked. She went to the tree that the men were about to cut. She put her arms around the tree and hugged it tightly. The men shouted and threatened her, but Amrita did not let go of the tree. The king's men had to follow his order. They had to cut the tree. On seeing this, Amrita's daughters and hundreds of villagers, old and young, hugged the trees to protect them. Many people, including Amrita and her daughters, died to save the trees. When the king heard of this, he could not believe that people gave up their lives for trees. He visited the village himself. There he learned about the villagers' respect for trees and animals. The villagers' strong feelings for trees affected the king greatly. He ordered that from then on no tree would be cut and no animal harmed in that area. Even today, almost 300 years later, the people of this area, called Bishnois, continue to protect plants and animals. Even though in the middle of the desert, this area is green and animals roam about freely without fear. We learn that we should safeguard our environment as much as possible. We should learn from the people of Khejadli village who have loved animals and plants just like we love fellow human beings.